Hey guys, welcome back. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to remove white background on your images in Adobe Premiere Pro. So let's get started. So here we are in Adobe Premiere Pro and we have this image right here. So we will be removing the white background of this image right here. And yeah, so what I recommend is that you do not remove it here in Adobe Premiere Pro because it's quite complicated and it has a lot of work and it's not really accurate if you do it manually, and you can save a lot of time if you don't do it here in Adobe Premiere Pro. But as you can see right here, this is the one that I tried on using color key on. So I removed the white background from this one right here. And as you can see, it's not really good. You can see the cuts right here. It's not really good. It's not smooth. And you can see the borders right here. There's still whites and coming on. And you still have to edit the settings right there so that you can fix that. And it's a lot of work. So what I can do for this one so that I can save more time and effort is that I just go to my browser and go into remove.bg, and you can go here and you can just upload your image right here that has any background or just white background, and it will remove it for you in seconds, just like that. And all we have to do is basically just restore the white right here because it was also removed. So I'm just going to click here on erase and restore, and I'm going to restore, click on restore, and then I'm going to brush it right here. And just like that, it's now done. The white has been restored, and click on done, click on download. And then all I'm going to do now is I'm going to drag this into my Premiere Pro, and we can now use this right here in our timeline, just as easy as that. And now we have our logo right here without any white background anymore, and it's really, really smooth. So that is basically it. Thank you for watching. If you have found this video helpful, simply leave a like below or subscribe because it helps me reach more people. See you soon.